ladies and gentlemen, Devon Brown here, and today I want to share with you how to get rich overnight. There are actually two ways to do this. There are actually two ways to get rich overnight. Now, the first way I heard about, I think the woman's name was Rebecca Bardis. I think that's whose Facebook I saw this on. If you don't know who she is, she's in this world, this internet marketing, home business world, and I saw this on her page. So I just want to give her full credit for this first way to get rich overnight. And then the second way to get rich overnight, I'll share with you, is one that I made up, and not really, but it's anyway. You'll see what I'm talking about. All right. So the first way to get rich overnight is to move. This is Rebecca's. What I saw on Rebecca's Facebook. The first way to get rich overnight is to move to a planet where the days and nights are 10,000 hours long. That's it. Just go to that planet, and then one full day will be 10,000 hours, and you can just work all day, and then you'll be rich by the next morning. That's it. It's super simple. All right? That's number one. It's okay, Terry. You can laugh.
It's funny.
Fucking hilarious. All right? Yes. The second way to get rich overnight is to work hard and plant a bunch of seeds for months and months and months, if not years. And in our world, right, in this internet marketing home business world, what that looks like is building your email list, learning how to communicate and copyright well and email your list, building up your following on social media, right, networking and building the right relationships. So plant all those seeds and work really hard for years, and then when the opportunity comes, take that opportunity and hammer it, and then you can get rich overnight. So for example, with one of my programs, I'm just trying to think of how I want to phrase. Okay, so I'll give you an example. With one of the systems that I launched one time, I spent a long time building it up. I had built the relationship, and I had built the foundation, and I had put all the right pieces in place, and I created the right relationships with my networking, right? And I had the email list and the followers and the people who were interested, and I pre-launched and the whole nine. And when this opportunity came along, boom, we did 6 figures in a month. It was my very first 6-figure month ever. So I got rich virtually overnight. Devon, you made $100,000 in a month. Yes, I did. How did you make $100,000 in a month? Well, because for years and years and years and years and years, I've been planting the seeds and doing the work and doing what I needed to do, right? So that's how you get rich overnight. Either A, move to a planet where the days are 10,000 hours long, or B, work hard for several years, right? Planting the seeds, doing what you got to do, all right? And building the foundation, and then when the opportunity presents itself, strike hard, and you can get rich overnight. So I got rich overnight. It only took me 8 years to plant seeds before I could get rich overnight, right? I got rich overnight. It only took me X amount of years to get to the point that I could get rich overnight, and I'm not the first person to say that. But if that's your first time hearing it, I want you to hear the wisdom in that, okay? So I say all of that to say that that's honestly how it's done. The whole get rich overnight thing, that's how it's done. If there was a faster or an easier way, or if there was a shortcut where I didn't have to grow as an entrepreneur and as an individual and learn skills and plant seeds and all that stuff and go through the trials and tribulations, trust me, I would have figured it out. All right? But there isn't. So the sooner you accept that, the sooner you're going to get to where you want to be. I hope that makes sense. All right? That's all I got for you guys today. Like this video, comment on it, share it, let me know your thoughts. And, did I do my leg flip? No? All right. There I did. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.